Hey guys, it's Poochie and Elvis, and we have a mystery box. It is actually 3 mystery boxes combined. It is 2 Nike mystery boxes and 1 premium denim mystery box. So let's see what we got. Hey guys, how are you? We have 2 mystery boxes from these are from America's Thrift Supply. You know, I've been really happy with the stuff I've gotten from them, so we've been going back and getting more. I have 2 Nike Supply mystery boxes, 1 premium denim supply. So let's see what we got. I opened it up and immediately saw this, which I was very happy about. Nike Air. Those are really nice condition. My son might fight me for those, I'm not sure. All the shoes are on the bottom, so let's look at the denim first. This is, Yada Yada stretch denim. I have never heard of Yada Yada stretch denim, so we're gonna have to look that up. If you know, comment down below so I will know. We will know what they are. We've gotten mostly Miss Me jeans. These say Vigos. Oh, those are cool. Vigos? Vigos. Oh, wow, they have blingy buttons. Look at those. So those, I know I got 10% off because I used the code influencer. Maybe I didn't on these. Maybe I missed that. So these, the normal price of these is 45 bucks. You get 5 pairs, so they end up being $9 a pair. What I wanted to tell you is these thrift places and places that do mystery boxes, that sell mystery boxes online, it's a good way for people who are disabled or have disabilities or can't get out and do the grind at the thrift stores as much. Me, for example, I'm able to kind of get stuff and thrift at home because I have a horrible knees and a bad back. These are Levi's 535 leggings. So again, these are $9 each. We'll see, you know, how we do. These look a little older or a little worn. These are PacSun, Los Angeles. Okay, these are going to be, you can see they are distressed. It's funny because when I was a kid, if I would ever wear anything that had rips in the knees or anything, my mom would flip out. Yeah, flip out. You're not wearing those outside. They have a hole in the jean. I mean, they have a hole in the knee. Yeah, Mom, I am. So these are brand new. And these are Prana. Cool, I've heard of those. Prana does have a retail $89 for the Prana brand new jeans. Nice. So again, we paid $44.95. The Pranas may pay for that on their own, and then the rest is just, you know, profit. So let's see, we paid $50 per lot on the shoes. So the shoes were $100 and we got 6 pairs. So I showed you the one. Oh, the birds are freaking out. These are nice. They have some dirt. We'll have to clean off the soles a little bit, but these are cool. So about just under $17 a pair for these shoes. So those 2 look fairly new. I mean, I don't know about anybody else, but when I wear my shoes, like I have one pair that I just wear out and the soles are completely shot. but these look like they were not worn a lot. These look like they're a little more worn, but see those? I've never been unhappy with a lot of shoes that I've gotten from here. These are some sort of odd, I don't even know what kind of shoes these are. They have very soft back here, you can see. Weird. Those are weird. Those are some sort of special shoes, so we'll have to look them up. These look a little bit worn, but not bad. Nike is located, their headquarters are located in my home state of Oregon, about half an hour from where I grew up and lived for so long. So seeing Nikes is like, for us, you know, since I was a kid, which God knows, that was when the dinosaurs roamed the earth. Seeing Nikes for us was no big deal. They were everywhere, you know. Way before Michael Jordan was a thing. These look like they're brand new. They have a little bit of wear, a little bit of dirt maybe, but the soles, I don't know if you can see them, they look, or the heel, the whatever, look brand new. Okay, so we're definitely going to make our money back from that. I think with the one pair of jeans, we'll probably make our money back with the denim lot. And we paid $100 for the shoes. And I see two of these shoes that can definitely make that back for us, probably, including the high top Air Jordans, which are, oops, we're going to have an incident if I let the denim go. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Elvis, those Nike mystery boxes are never amiss so far. So that's what we got. Remember, buy low, sell high, subscribe, and thanks for watching.